So we're doing another Target Beauty Box unboxing today. But pathetically, is it up to date? No. Is it from this past month? No. Is it from the month before that? No. It is the normal, regular, the Sleigh All Day box from December. It's April right now. I figure before I fall any further behind, and if we even get an April box this month, who the fuck knows, but, you know, just one of those things where I should probably get on it. I keep saying every day how I need to sit down and film this, and then I don't do the thing, and then more time passes, and I still haven't done it, and it's just a whole vicious cycle. So we're just gonna do it. So anyways, yeah, the box itself, it's very pretty. It's like watercolor leaves, kind of, sort of, like stamped on. I really like that. I'm still adoring the whole watercolor motifs they use. Love this color. This is the color I wanted the walls of my room to be, ideally, but my dad wouldn't let me. But anyways, so, our card, Sleigh All Day. Like Santa's sleigh. Aha, aha, I see what they did there. 'Tis the season of holiday parties, family events, and festive nights out. Boy, doesn't that seem like forever ago in the face of the virus we still can't say the name of on YouTube? But celebrating in style can be tough with a busy calendar. Our present to you, all the fabulous products you need to help you slay all day and night. And then it's the usual try them out and blah 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 blah, so we won't bother reading that. So, this one has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 things in it. Alright. So, tissue paper in here is gorgeous. It is a nice deep purple. I love that. That is great. So, first thing, where do I start? Let's start with this little guy. What have we... Whoop! And I dropped it! Okay, so it's this little thing here. Little itty-bitty tub of... Get the stuff off of it from static cling on the floor. Let's see. Lumene Nordic Sea Glow Reveal Moisturizer. Ooh, I could use that. Blend of Seabond... Wait. Are we talking about the denture crap? Seabond technology works like a magnet. Oh god, it is. Okay, works like a magnet to safely lift dirt and oil from your most clogged pores so skin looks refreshed and feels purified. What? What is made in Finland? And it's in Finnish. Apply to face and neck after cleansing. Well. Let's take a little looky. Oh, we kind of can't because it has a seal on it. I am very, very, very intrigued, though, to try this, even with the nasty denture Seabond in it. But I'm pretty sure I can go through that quickly. It's just a tiny little tub. Be something to add to the empties bin that I need to do an empties video with. It's almost full. I can almost do another empties video, guys. Almost. We're very close. I'm trying to see how much more I can cram in there before no more will fit, and then I'll do the video. So, anyways, we'll see if maybe I can get that sucker in there. But anyway, well, I dropped it a second time. Wow, I'm just butterfingers today. Second thing. Ooh, we have a perfume. I like perfume. Granted, it's only a little tester, but I like perfume. So this is by Good Chemistry, I think. Or is that the name of it? Nope, it's by Good Chemistry. Magnolia Violet Rollerball. Ooh, hoo, hoo, hoo. Yummy perfume formulated with essential oils and notes of magnolia, peony, and amber will leave you smelling delicious. Tip: to make your perfume last longer, apply an unscented lotion onto the skin beforehand to help lock in the scent. I forgot about that trick. I did used to do that all the time. That's really smart. I need to start doing that again. But look how cute. I love it. Like, just their packaging is so freaking cute. I love the aesthetic. Apply to pulse points, wrists, and neck to stimulate the senses. The ingredients are alcohol. Wow! I haven't even drank today. Alcohol. Alright. Alcohol denatured. Fragrance. Water. And it's fragrance with essential oils of lemon and cedarwood. I see no mention of magnolias or violets. What? Okay. With notes of magnolia, peony, and amber. Romantic and captivating with true elegance. Ho ho. Because it matters to us, this perfume is vegan and cruelty-free with essential oils. We're also really happy that it doesn't contain parabens or propylene glycol. I can kind of smell it through the thing. It smells really good. Is it a little teeny tiny spritzer or no? I can't tell if that's just a stopper or not. I hope it's a little spritzer though. That'd be great. Can I get the thingy off without breaking it? Because I do want to do like an actual proper review with this, even though it's just a tester, but you know, the more stuff I can get reviews on, the more stuff I can make ad revenue with, so let's, I think it's like one of those things where you can go dee 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 like this. Haha! I am so smart! Probably not really, but I'm gonna pretend that's what it's for. Like back in the day, before there was the spritzers, that actually was how you applied perfume. They had a little glass thing that dipped down, a little wand, and you would rub that on. And I figured, you know, even if that's not the intended purpose, here's how I'm gonna use it. So, until it reaches down too far to do that, and then I'll just do the usual dunk, dunk, and done thing. So let's try to wiggle that back through there. I think I got it. Oh, good. Well, let's see how it smells. It's very light. Well, then again, I barely fucking put any on, but that smells really good. I like that. But then again, I love magnolias. Like, I love most floral scents. Like, let's be real, but that's one of my favorite ones. Not more so than lavender, but probably a really close second, though. It's probably why I love the, Hello Beautiful Bath & Body Works spritz, because it's mostly magnolia, if I'm not mistaken. But anyway, we're just gonna move right along, because I'm babbling about one product here way too long. What do we got? This is by Mixed Chicks. It's Coil Kinking Curl Styling Cream. Of course, when my hair is not all curly, that's when I open this. Should have done this yesterday and just let it air dry, but I didn't. Conditions, retains moisture, promotes growth, and adds definition for wash and go finger styling, 2-strand twists, coils, and spirals. Much easier than braids. I like 2-strand twists. Those are good. Wow. So, let's see what it says. Styling cream formulated with argan oil keeps curls conditioned and moisturized so ringlets are beautifully bouncy and seriously shiny. Directions: apply evenly to damp, detangled hair. Use fingers to style the curls, 2-strand twists, bantu knots, and other natural hair styling technique. So, while yes, technically this is for African American hair, that's okay. My hair is so naturally curly anyway that I'm sure this will come in useful. A lot of stuff that's designed for that actually works better on my hair than a lot of other things, so I'm okay with that personally. So, anywho, let me answer this real quick. Okay, sorry about that. Might get interrupted again, but who knows. I'll try and finish this up before they have a chance to. But, anywho, next thing in here is what I'm probably going to have to give away. It is the Palmer's Coconut Oil Formula 2-Step Hair Mask. Which really sucks, because this looks like it'd be super good, and I wish I could use it, but be that as it may, the second ingredient in this is coconut fruit extract, because if it were just coconut oil, I could use it, but with the extract, no, I can't, especially when it's that high up the ingredient list. No, I can't. But I'll read you what it says anyway. So, beautify strands with this deeply hydrating conditioner that locks in the moisture for days longer than other conditioners. Step 1 is a hydrating deep conditioner that restores shine in deep conditions. Step 2 seals the cuticle for long-lasting results and prevents dryness in the days following your wash. Step 1, apply to strands. Do not rinse to restore condition and shine. Step 2, apply directly after step 1, then rinse to seal the cuticle. So it's a conditioner and a sealant. Kind of cool. So I'm just going to set those aside. Let me see this. Okay. Okay. So, 2-step coconut oil hair mask features a deep conditioner that locks in moisture for long-lasting hydration and a protective glaze that seals the cuticle for intense shine. Hint, evenly distribute the deep conditioning mask throughout strands, apply the protective glaze on top, then let sit for 15 minutes before thoroughly rinsing. Well, I won't personally be able to do that, but hopefully somebody else will get use of it. So, next thing in here, I feel like I've gotten these before, either from another Target box or from one of the Walmart ones. But it is the Biore Deep Cleansing Pore Strips with Charcoal. There's like one strip in there. It unclogs pores and draws out excess oil for the deepest clean. One nose strip. I remember the normal Biore nose strips tend to offend me because my nose is too big to work with them normally. So when I do it, it barely reaches to like right here over my nose. Whereas if you see in the picture, it's supposed to go out to about right here on the skin around your nose. So that kind of sucks. Let's see here. Purifying charcoal powder works like a magnet to remove pore clogging buildup, oil, dirt, and blackheads in just 10 minutes. I have a big ol' honkin' whitehead right here, but this won't help with that. That helps with blackheads. How to thoroughly wet your nose to make it easier for the strip to stick to your skin. Apply the strip, pressing down to ensure good contact, then let dry for 10 to 15 minutes until stiff to the touch. Critical with these, once they feel like paper mache, it's time to take it off. If you let it keep sitting beyond that, you're probably gonna rip off like the top layer of your skin. So, just be aware. Don't do what I did. Let me answer. Like I said, there could be more interruptions. I was right. Okay. So the last two things in here go together. We have, what is this? The Ren Pure, I guess, is the brand. Biotin and Collagen Thicken and Strengthen Shampoo and Conditioner. This is the shampoo. That is the conditioner. They're both the same size, although the conditioner seems to have more in it. Let's read what each one says here. For the shampoo, custom blend of biotin and collagen infuses hair with weightless nutrients that add volume and strength so strands look lusher and feel fuller. And then the conditioner, biotin and collagen infused formula soothes the scalp while restoring strength and shine, leaving strands silky smooth. So, more or less the same thing, except this guy also helps your scalp, which I definitely need all the help with I can get. I've never heard of the brand Ren Pure before, but it says plant-based beauty is their little tagline. Plant-based natural ingredients, zero gluten, dyes, propylene glycol, sulfates, parabens, phthalates, or formaldehyde. You know, it's always great to have something with no formaldehyde going on your skin while you're still alive. You know, once you're dead, it don't matter, but while you're still alive, let's not use the formaldehyde, okay? But, so yeah, and then there's the obligatory $3 off coupon that, because I waited so long, now it's expired, but I have another beauty box, so I can always use that guy, but, yeah, it is a nice thick box. It sucks that one of the products in it I can't use, but that always seems to be the way. There's always one, right? This is why I did not buy the Target Beauty Box Advent Calendar, because almost every single product in it was coconut, or had coconut in it, or was coconut scented, or it was coconut something or other. There was only like 3 things in it that didn't have coconut. I was like, that is not worth $20 to me to have 3 things I can use. Not gonna happen. I mean, yeah, it'd be a cool unboxing video, but at the level of income I get off of YouTube, I can't afford to just chuck 20 bucks at something to do an unboxing on a thing that I will only get use of 3 items out of. Not gonna happen. Sorry, I love you guys, but I don't love you guys that much, so. Once this channel's bigger and I make more, maybe I could have justified that, but we are not at that point currently, so. This is still an itty-bitty little channel, so. Anywho, that is it for this one, so you guys know the drill. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a like. If you're not already and you'd like me, click subscribe, hit that notification bell icon so you never miss an upload, leave comments down below. Did you get this box? What did you get the most use of out of it? Even just watching this, what thing are you the most excited about to see me review, other than the thing I can't use? Let me know. Make sure you're following my social media accounts, my Facebook fan page, my Twitter, my Instagram, my Etsy, everything and more. It's all down below. And if you like what I do here on this channel and you'd like to help support it, the donation link, as always, is down in the description. Anyway, guys, till next time, bye-bye.